A large bakery was experiencing downtime on their bun reversing conveyor from bearing failures 2 to 3 times per month, approximately 26 times a year. The bakery maintenance personnel were spending 2 hours to replace the bearings, with each failure at a cost of $30 per hour and $600 in lost production. Regal Engineering evaluated the failed bearings and determined the bearings were failing from dough, flour, water, and cleaning solutions ingress through the bearing seals. An IP69K certified Sealmaster PN gold-mounted ball bearing was the recommended solution. This bearing features a 316 passivated stainless housing, high phosphorus nickel-coated raceway, high-performance triple-lip seal, and the optional squeeze-lock concentric lock. After 12 months, the Sealmaster bearings are still in operation with no sign of slowing down. This change resulted in decreased downtime, decreased labor costs, and improved operating efficiency. The annual cost savings, based on the 2 hour of downtime per failure, $30 labor rate, and $600 per hour cost of lost production, is calculated to be nearly $33,000, not including the cost of the bearings. When the Sealmaster PN Gold solution is implemented in other areas of the plant, overall cost savings will exceed $100,000.